Hello friends. How nice it is if we can cook Bagara rice and white rice at one go. Such a big time saver. It's very handy when you want white rice in same meal or for kids. You don't have to cook white rice separately. This way both rice gets ready at the same time. This Hyderabadi style Bagara rice comes out very fluffy, super tasty with mild flavors. As I use less oil or ghee for Bagara rice, I make it mostly for special meals. So this is what I do for keeping it quick and easy. I usually pack the dry ingredients like whole masala items for 2 cups of rice as a set. I make such multiple sets, good enough for next few times. Now it's easy with very few ingredients. Let's get started. Take 2 cups of basmati rice. Wash 2 to 3 times. Soak in water for 1 hour. We will discard this water later. Meanwhile, let's keep white rice also ready. Wash rice in another bowl. I took 1 cup of sona masuri rice. Add 2 cups of water. There is no need to soak white rice before. Now turn on the instant pot and use sort mode. Add 1 teaspoon oil and half a teaspoon ghee. Or you can add 1 1/2 teaspoon oil or ghee. Add garam masala items. 3 chilies. Half a cup onion. And 1 teaspoon salt. Salt until lightly roasted. Now add mint leaves. If it's too much smoky or burning at bottom, switch to less heat. Double click sort mode for less heat. Meanwhile, drain water from basmati rice bowl. Add basmati rice into instant pot. Salt for a minute. Add 3 cups of water. The ratio is 1 is to 1 1/2. Add 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder and quarter teaspoon garam masala powder, or you can add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Finally add mint and coriander leaves. Mix them all well. Now let's place the trivet. Keep white rice bowl on top. Close the lid to sealing. Now cancel the sort mode. Use pressure cook low for 7 minutes. There is no need of keep warm. After natural pressure release, as you see, both rice gets cooked well. Now here is the trick. Mix Bagara rice from bottom to top, as top layer feels little dry. Close the lid again and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. As you see, Bagara rice gets fluffy and non-sticky even with less oil. White rice also gets cooked perfect at the same time. Absolutely, it's a big time saver. Only one way it can go wrong is when you salt basmati rice longer until all water is gone. As water is less, might get burn indicator. In such case, turn off the instant pot and wait for natural release. Both will still get cooked, but feels like little dry and undercooked. Thus don't let water gone fully before closing the lid. Enjoy Bagara rice with your favorite curries. Hope you like my ideas and tips. See you again with many more healthy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.